Ever wish you had a tutor who was available 24/7? Never got tired and could explain things as many times as you need? Well, guess what? You already do. It's called AI tutoring, and it's changing how millions of students learn every single day. Hi, I'm Cynthia, your digital guide to the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're exploring how AI tutoring tools actually work and how they make studying easier, faster, and a lot more personal. Think of an AI tutor as a super smart study partner that learns from data instead of textbooks. It understands what you're struggling with, gives hints when you're stuck, and celebrates when you finally get it right. AI tutors learn by studying huge sets of questions and answers, just like a teacher who's graded thousands of peers. Over time, they recognize patterns, where most students slip up, which solutions work best, and how to explain tricky concepts clearly. When you answer a question, AI instantly checks your work and explains why it's right or wrong. Instead of just saying incorrect, it walks you through the reasoning step by step. That's like having a personal coach who never loses patience and always knows what to say next. Here's where AI really shines. It adapts to you. If you're struggling, it slows down and explains more. If you're excelling, it challenges you with tougher questions. This flexibility makes studying feel smoother, less stressful, and much more motivating. AI tutors are making quality education more accessible, especially for students who don't have one-on-one help. They're already used in tools like Conmigo, ChatGPT, Duolingo, and ScribeSense, guiding millions of learners worldwide. Have you ever tried an AI tutor? Tell me in the comments, which subject did it help you with most? I'd love to hear your story. So, how do AI tutoring tools work? By learning from patterns, giving instant feedback, and adapting to your pace, helping every student learn in their own unique way. In our next episode, we'll explore how AI is helping teach creative subjects like music and art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay curious. Until next time, keep learning smarter, not harder.